Anyway guys, welcome back to Cheng's Aqua, and here to make another video on us feeding our fish. Actually, let's feed these guys first. Why not, right? We can feed them a little bit of flakes. This is a shrimp video, but I would never recommend feeding like this, but since I do have a camera in my other finger, on my other hand, probably a little bit too much, it's fine. It's not like I feed them every day. Feed them every other day. Goldfish will eat everything. Anyway, let's get ready. Let's feed these bad boys. We're feeding our Motoro stingrays some cut up shrimp. Geophagus always goes for it, but it's too big for them. That's why I feed them other things like frozen brine shrimp. They still try for it. I even sometimes try to break one of these up into little chunks. That is me feeding these bad boys. Let's stay here and watch how these guys do. That one got scared a little bit. Look at the geophagus going for it. They had a water change yesterday, so they should be doing good now. Again, they're always doing good. It's just more of a stress type of thing. When I do a water change, I don't try to feed right away or right before. The geophagus are looking great, growing nice and big. I think they got them bigger. It's too big for you. What are you doing? There's literally a smaller piece right next to him, but whatever. Guys aren't being as active. The geophagus keeps going for that piece. Let's see if he eats that one that's right next to him. He has to feel it with his disc, so then he actually goes for it. It's too big. I'm afraid that's too big. They're being greedy. There you go. That's more of a feasible size. But yeah, that's pretty much feeding them. I'm gonna come back in 5-10 minutes if they haven't eaten that other piece that's up there or that one. I have to take it out, but that's all they're gonna get for today. And then the rest we can feed the other stingrays. So we're here, and I know these guys are bigger, so I know they'll eat all of this easily. It might not even be enough. I feel like these are smaller pieces. Like, I don't understand. I gave them the bigger pieces. Turn on the wave makers. So it can get everywhere. I'm gonna feed this last 3 chunks to my flower horn. But Now that the water is moving, it's getting everywhere. All of them gotten some. They ate yesterday. They look like they've never eaten before. Look at that. The dad noise didn't even come out. Probably still full from eating so much yesterday. But yeah, see, they devoured that like nothing. And this will go down to the flower horn. Here is my flower horn, ready to take a bite out of my finger. He missed like all of them. Yes, there you go. This is a female, because I know, because she laid eggs. Go for it. There you go. I know the allergy is crazy because I can't keep any other fish with this monster. She will attack everything. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to be trying to get more videos out. I've ordered some new video equipment. Not that it's really necessary, but just to get some audio better, and so I don't have to use my hand as much to hold up the camera. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Look how cute these goldfish are. Anyway, welcome back guys, and ready for another video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.